Federal Reserve announces upcoming rate cut. Major changes explained right here in this video. What up, everybody? It's Chris Jalem, your go-to Las Vegas realtor and your go-to source for all things real estate and finance. Today, we are going to dive into a major announcement from the Federal Reserve that could change the game for homeowners, buyers, and investors alike. The Federal Reserve has held rates steady after hiking multiple times since 2022, but all eyes are now on a potential rate cut coming as early as September. Let's break it down. What this means for you and the Las Vegas market. To start, we have to talk about inflation, the catalyst behind all these changes. Since 2020, consumer prices have risen by an average of 20.8%. However, there's some good news. In June, we saw prices drop slightly for the first time since the pandemic began, and inflation is now starting to slow down and level out. For example, the year-over-year rate of increase for all items is now just 3%, a significant drop from previous highs. This is largely due to decreases in gas prices and used vehicle costs. But the big question is, how does this impact interest rates? A potential rate cut could be a game changer for the housing market with lower rates, borrowing costs decrease, making it cheaper for buyers to finance homes, to buy more homes. This could lead to a surge in home buying, especially here in Las Vegas, where the market has been hot already. So imagine when the rates drop, it's going to be scorching. But it's not just about real estate. The stock market is also influenced by the interest rate changes. Historically, divided Congress years, like what we're seeing now, has been great for stock market returns, averaging around 14.8%. But a rate cut could also be a double-edged sword here, potentially signifying or signaling economic concerns. Another big topic is the proposed nationwide rent control, which aims to cap rent increase at 5%. While this sounds good in theory, history shows that rent control can sometimes make housing shortages worse, limiting the supply of rental properties and driving up prices elsewhere. They gotta balance it out. For instance, rent control in cities like, let's say, San Francisco has often led to landlords converting properties to avoid restrictions, reducing available rental units. So, while it's intended to help, it might not be the silver bullet solution for high rents. So, what's next? All right. The Federal Reserve's next meeting in September is critical. While Fed Chair Jerome Powell hasn't committed to a rate cut, he did leave the door open. He did leave some clues out there. Depending on upcoming economic data, a rate cut could lower costs for buyers and investors, but it's crucial to stay up to date and stay informed. You already know I got you. I got the information for you. I'll definitely keep you updated as we get closer to the date. If you're in the market for a new home or looking to buy or invest, now is the time to start planning. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates or any of the information. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know in the comments what you think about the potential rate cut and rent control proposals. How do you think they'll impact the Las Vegas market and such? And remember, if you need help buying or selling a home, I'm your guy, Chris Jalem. You go to Las Vegas Realtor. Check out the links in the description for more information, and let's make your real estate dreams a reality. Until next time, I'll see you on the next one.